Alright, so today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Mustang is all done now, so we're just doing the break-in period. I'll probably be doing a catch-up video on that in probably a week or two, just so you guys know like what's going on with it and how all the mods are like progressing so far. No whine in the rear end. It's real good. I'm pretty happy with everything I purchased. You can actually hear the cams now, which is so sick. But anywho, today we're working on Riley's 2012 Dodge Charger RT, and we got the goodies. These are the DS's, right?
Yes.
Yeah, these are the DS coilovers. These are actually better than mine because I just have the BRs.
Dude, those things look sick.
They look hot.
So excited.
So, oh, the wrenches are sick too. Oh, they're nice. They're different. Yeah, well, I mean, they're still wrenches, but they're different.
Oh yeah, they look different. It's a different like profile.
Ours, I imagine the old ones still work, but we're gonna have to see. Sean has his. We all, like, I think everyone runs BC coilovers, right? If I'm correct, everyone does. On the Audi.
I got KW coilovers on that.
And then we're probably gonna be doing some other videos on this stuff, because this is Sean's new S4 wagon. ProCharge, Vortec ProCharge S4 wagon. That's pretty sick. What do we have in here now? We have the iBox.
Yeah, just iBox Sportline lowering springs right now. They're good, but I still notice a lot of body roll when I'm like doing the speed limit. And
when you're doing actual Charger things.
yeah. And, so they were good. They made the car lower. I liked the way the car sat when they were on them, but I just want to ruin my ride. And
you want to be low.
I want to be low.
Yeah.
So this is what
So
happens.
that's what you gotta do to be low.
Sean said we're actually probably gonna have to roll the fenders in the rear a little bit.
You think so? Because of the tire size?
Yeah.
Yep. And they're not rolled at all.
Yeah.
Just don't let me do it.
What?
Else shouldn't be looking like that.
275, 40, 20s
10 wide tire.
on a 10 wide.
Or 10 wide.
I mean, that's what I have on my Mustang. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, that's
You have
bad.
to roll it.
Yeah.
Flat.
Yeah, none of these sides.
We're gonna see how this goes. I think it'll be pretty good. I'm optimistic about it. And then also he's got an SRT front bumper for it, so that's another thing we're gonna be doing. So
Oh.
in the future, you guys are gonna see us probably doing the SRT front bumper. Well, today we're gonna do the coilovers, and then he's got a spoiler. He's got a spoiler too.
So she's up. What's holding that spring in now?
Just everything being attached.
Okay. Well, that's
Not much, honestly.
that's not safe. So put this thing back underneath, huh?
No, you're good. We're good.
You already showed about that.
No.
Well, that's why that freaking bolt's not coming out. What's your head?
Oh, it's this fucking thing. This one's got an Allen head.
I remember that.
You do?
Remember I'm pretty sure we did that for the fucking lowering.
Or it's gonna be this bolt right here.
Oh, yippee. I wonder if it's the
That's
same bolt.
easy to get to.
I bet it's the same bolt.
This is when we're gonna want to have the jack with some pressure, because
Same bolt or no? No, bigger. Fuck.
I hope this thing like folds out.
Yep.
Because if it doesn't, then this is gonna be a bitch.
Okay.
So we could either watch a video
Yeah.
and not take the extra time, but that's not really fun.
This one fits. What you want to do is stick your fingers right in there while that's coming down.
Right, while the spring's coming out.
Yep.
So
Okay.
we had to drop the exhaust a little, get the bolt out. Back control arm bolt comes out, and then now your old iBox raising spring comes out.
Yo, these things been on here for a year. 11 to 14 Charger owners, let me know.
Side won't matter. Spring side doesn't matter.
Oh, that's a good point.
Take one out, right? Let's see what it looks like.
Left front. Cool.
Those are fronts, yeah.
Oh, these are weird.
That's a shock.
Yeah, and where's the motherfucking weenie?
The spring?
Spring's
Right
there.
there. So we're gonna have to find out. I think the shock has a different wrench than the coilover. That's why we have two sets of wrenches. But I'm not really sure about that.
I don't know
And
why.
these are the extreme lows. I bought these on BC Racing. They
Back on?
fit.
Yeah.
It's labeled as 11 to 14 SRT8, but they'll fit RTs. I hope so. I hit up the guy from BC Racing. Said they'll fit your RT. So
Yeah, chassis should be the same.
yeah, essentially.
Holder up. So I got adjustable dampening at the top. Quite a lot of threads, but I believe, I don't know what stage we're at. It's probably at like their like recommended height.
Probably.
And then we can just adjust it, you know, as we go.
Yeah.
So we're gonna hold up this next to the eye box to see like where we're at. So currently this is their recommended height, right?
God.
That's about an inch shorter already.
Yeah. But then again, this is to compress because this is where you get your soft ride.
Press too.
Well, yeah, but not like that.
No. Yeah. I say we start here and it's easy enough to lower them.
Yeah.
I hope.
Yeah.
I hope so.
So we'll see what happens.
So we technically took that out for fucking because it doesn't fit on for some reason. So we had to take those couple inches out, and this is already a couple inches lower. So this is gonna be like we're going down like 3 inches altogether.
Which might be perfect, technically.
For the rear.
For the rear, yeah. So right now the shock's in, springs in. You gotta put that bolt back in.
Hold on, grab that bolt. How about we do that first?
Sean? Looks nice though.
Yeah, we're gonna, but we gotta line the hole
We'll
up.
have to do it.
Ooh, yeah.
Make sure the shock is adjusted properly for the height of the car, and then we also have to make sure that the dampening is good. So we're gonna match dampening all 4 corners. I think BC's are 35 levels of adjustable dampening. Mine are BRs. These are DS's, so they might be different, but I'm not sure. But so, what are you doing, Ev?
You don't wanna know.
She muddy.
Washing
Thing is muddy as fuck. Mega cab looks nice though. Some nice JTX wheels. I like them. Truck's just dirty as all hell right now though. Evan's got the mega cab, so got that big back seat. Longhorn interior, heated rear, heated AC fronts. Much compared to my 6.7, I don't have the AC front seats. I just have heated front seats. Because mine's I basically have the poverty lariat. It's like a base model lariat. And Evan's got like the Longhorn is like the highest, well, one of the highest. I think there's one above it, but it's like the King Ranch of Dodge. So, looks nice though. Oh, what's that? Y'all know what that means.
Good? Yeah.
Alright, Rye, we got the freaking coilovers on, so now we're gonna see what it looks like.
This is 1 quarter.
Bitch
bear
down.
in mind.
This is one corner, we still gotta do the other side.
That's definitely a lot lower. It's a big difference.
We gotta lower this shit another inch.
This is monster truck. This is bad.
Bro, I'm busy.
Give it a couple bumps. Like hit the
Go jumping.
yeah. Like just
Open the door.
It is lower than the other side. I'll give you that. But still not the fitment we're looking for. I think we're looking for more like here. Let me. I think he's looking for like this kind of fitment to give you guys an idea. So right where like it just barely tucks the tire. So we're just gonna work on this side, and then I'll cut to when we start working on the front. Show you guys a little bit on the front, and then see how the car looks.
That's 3 inches.
Excuse me?
He's so shy.
Right here.
I have no fucking idea.
Probably is. You holding?
Okay.
Probably. You need it?
No.
Yes.
Yeah.
Is this car on a jack stand?
No.
You don't need jack stands.
Bill, I don't use jack stands are too safe.
But like, I'd rather use a cinder brick.
The cinder brick?
Maybe like a little bit darker.
I think. I'm not gonna lie. I could probably put my lifted Jeep underneath this car as a jack stand if we need it.
Oh, it's stupid easy. From 69 rollers, Barney 12 start. Now we're doing the rear. So even less.
Well, I was just wondering.
Cool.
There's no time around here. Nothing.
Oh,
We got the cars on the rotisserie.
It's a rotisserie.
This is how we did it last time. Don't forget, you wanna torque that ball joint nut.
I don't know.
Right?
This thing. No shit.
No?
Yeah,
Just put it on with the Ryobi impact, right?
LB impacts.
I never torque anything, dude. All the fucking rod and main bearings in my engine. Torque.
Torque. No, Sean didn't torque his ball joint one time and it almost fell off.
No, I just didn't tighten it.
At all.
No, I forgot 6 feet from the car. When I had to get closer, I was like,
Did you end up?
So, we got the front looking really good. Got the height just about where we want it. the back needs to be adjusted, but we're gonna save that for tomorrow. So I'll get a video of what it looks like, some photos probably of the car all done, but the back we're gonna have to drop the control arm to basically max out the spring. So it'll be perfect. And then maybe a little bit of a spacer in the front, but for now. So what do you think?
I love it.
You love
Back
it?
needs to be
microphone.
all
It is.
stiff though. But yeah, it's good.
Does it ride good?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Does it ride like the second time? No, thank God.
I say it came out good.
I say so too.
It's low as shit for a Charger.
Might have to raise the front a little bit.
Fix that.
Not gonna have to raise the front. No.
Kind of had to because it was rubbing really bad there. And then he took a corner and kind of folded the fender out a little here, but it's all good now. So, but it's pretty good looking. Like, I mean, that fitment is spot on. So, I'd say we're good.
Paint matched to my paint base from being 21 years old.
Car looks good.
That's movie SPR4.